Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Ibobi has issued a resounding call to protect Manipur, stating that party leaders and workers must revive the courage shown during the Quit India movement to save the state. He was speaking at the observance of the 84th anniversary of the Quit India movement at Congress Bhavan, BT Road, Imphal. During the event, Congress leaders led by Ibobi and CLP leader K. Megachandra, along with party workers, paid tribute to the photos of the late party leaders who spearheaded the national movement. They also took a pledge to uphold and defend the state's territorial integrity, unity and communal harmony. Speaking further, Ibobi emphasized the urgent need to commit towards resolving the conflict and reviving the state from the ongoing unrest. He claimed that Congress is the only political party capable of protecting both the country and the state. While recalling the historical legacy and sacrifices of Congress leaders in India's independence movement and nation building, Ibobi urged the party workers to harness that same spirit for the state's survival. He also called on all citizens to stand united against constitutional violations, threats to freedom of speech, democratic values, and any attempts to destabilize the state.
Congress Party na Bharat Ashi Nukha Tamana Bhatnavada Laut Hiba Thaudam Role Mayam Puna Makadu Nishin Dana Tunda Horeva Akoi Puna Magna Akoyi India Tungi Laiva Manipuri Tungi Laiva She Akoi Kada Nasu Akoi Logan Amoy Daitanga Moy Congress Party Natana Bharat Kanba aduga Manipur Kanba haibse Congress Party nattana shugumba ngashigi yamna maruoiba historic oiba itihasik oiba function sida ai thamjaningani aduga ngasi asi yamna maruoiba Congress ki shakha haiba tare Indian Youth Congress ki shu yamna maruoiba kumpu manga rak shuba linkhatchiba Numit ni masiko incident oiba haiba tare